All right, Turbo Cellbore here with another Fedora tutorial. Today I am going to be upgrading Fedora via the shell. So a new release just came out. In this case, I think it's like Fedora 36. And I personally don't like using GNOME software because sometimes it locks up. Sometimes I just have issues with how it does the update files. So if you want to do it using the GUI, it's really easy. So you just use the super key, open up the software center, go to updates, and then it says a new version is available, and you just hit download and it downloads it and does the update. Whatever. That's totally easy to do. But I'm going to do this entirely via terminal. So I'm going to open up a terminal, and the first thing I'm going to do is sudo dnf update, make sure everything's up to date, and I'm going to put in my password, and I'm going to skip ahead all the slow bits. All right, so then it's going to give me a list of everything that's getting upgraded and removed and all the weird dependencies, and I'm just going to say yes to that. I got the space. Yeah, so sometimes the upgrade process takes a long time. So as you can see, some things move very quickly, other things don't. And the vast majority of these are either tools that I've downloaded or things that are part of the kernel, or in some cases, apps that I've installed that have to solve a whole bunch of dependencies. Plus all these things like the language packs. There we go. So now everything's upgraded. Highly recommend you back up before you do this because if it's a small potential to brick it and you'll have to reinstall everything. But I'm just gonna first, I have to make sure I have the text installer. So I'm gonna go sudo dnf install Fedora upgrade. And it's a little script. No match for Fedora upgrade. Did I spell it right? Nope, I didn't. That's why. That's Fedora, which I don't have. Upgrade. There we go. It's a little itty bitty file. So then what I'm going to do is sudo Fedora upgrade. Hit enter to continue. Enter to continue. Let's continue. Just do it. Let us do the package managers version. Let's do it. Wow. There we go. A lot of different versions. All right. Let's do it online. Online. Here we go. So you can see it's a little more fussy than doing it via the software center. But in general, I have found this to work pretty well. Although I did brick a laptop once, but that was only because it didn't have the CPU strength to actually run Fedora, which was very sad, and I cried a little. And when I say brick, I mean it doesn't like become completely unusable. I just had to basically reformat the drives and start over. Oh yeah, sometimes you'll get errors. It has to do with Cody. It's fine. I had Cody on here. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna say yes. Also, if you're looking at the ETA, which is rapidly counting down, that's pretty normal. Also, recommend, especially if you have the ability to, if you're going to do any of the updates at all via terminal, recommend having a wired connection. It's usually more stable. It's not that you can't upgrade via Wi-Fi. It's just Wi-Fi, the signal strength jumps all over the place, and I've just had much better luck being hardwired into things. So if you ever wondered uh, what's happening when you upgrade a computer, um, this is not an inaccurate representation of what's happening. It's basically just downloading a bunch of packages and opening them and overwriting the older ones. What the heck is elf utils? I don't even know what that is. There's a lot of stuff in the background. All right, so now it should be about done. It says it's done in 0 seconds, but as you can see, it's still doing stuff. There we go. Downloaded everything. And now it's gonna sit here for a hot minute. Let me know how the speed up editing works. This is my first time trying to use speed instead of just cutting out video, so hopefully that edits correctly. Oh, there we go. Transaction check complete. So it's got to download those keys, those sweet, sweet public keys, which it needs in order to identify itself to RPM. All right, so now it's going to run a bajillion little scriptlets. When I say a bajillion, it is going to run 4,584 scriptlets. So hopefully my editing will actually work to make this look much faster than it is. Rest assured, doing this whole process with this media PC, which has 32 gigs of RAM and a Ryzen 3. I don't know, it's a 4-core processor. What do you want? It's a desktop. This whole thing probably takes about 15-20 minutes. You can see the clock up in the corner, so I may be wrong. I'm trying to predict the future here, but it's probably going to take about 15 minutes. Oh yeah, now it's cleaning up, which usually goes a lot faster. Oh, mouse battery low. All right. There we go. Well, that only took like 7 minutes, so I was off by a factor of 100%. But whatever. It's good. Also, for some reason, my background went black. I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, it's because it's updating. It's probably why. Okay, now it's got to verify all the amazing things it did. Complete. All right, so let's go ahead and do all the missing packages from group minimal install. All right. I don't know if I like removed some packages. I probably got rid of like cheese or something like that. I don't know. I don't really use some of the photo software that comes baseline. Cannot download. Installing groups from core. Oh, that was easy. Let's do. Okay. No orphaned files. Going to resets all installed files. Alright. Okay. So the big one is there might be discontinued packages or things that have been like outdated in Fedora 36. Oh no, not my gamepad program. Ah. Darn it. I was using that. Oh well, I guess I'll just use Steam's gamepad software or find a new one. Ooh, 2 packages. Montserrat fonts common. I don't, I don't even know. It's a lot of just like random stuff. It's like super old. Can I just like resolve all dependencies? There we go. All right, go remove those old GPG keys. Oh, I'm not on Rawhide. Okay, so let's go ahead and restart. Oh, does it not? Fine, exit. Let me guess. Something weird's going on. Cancel. Huh. Well, see, this is an example of why doing things in terminal, sometimes it works really well, and other times you get yourself into position. I can't, it says it's still executing code, but I don't see anything. Bash is doing something. Command not found. Well, let's see if it, huh. Okay, well, we'll just do this the old-fashioned way. This could brick it. Well, that part worked. Yeah, so far so good. I don't know quite what happened with removing the old GPG keys, so we'll find out. Hey! Looks like appearance crashed, but otherwise it's good to go. No background though. Let's see if the upgrade worked. And we can find out by going into settings and then going to about. And we are now using Fedora 36. So that's how you update it via terminal. Don't know why it froze at the end there, but it didn't affect anything. So let's go ahead and real quick, I want to change my background. Ooh, some new stuff. Look at that. Wow. All right, so hopefully people find that helpful.
Wow, you made it to the end of the video. Anyway, you should totally subscribe to my channel, or if you want, leave a comment, even if the comment is about how annoying my voice is. Either way, thank you for watching the video, and remember, gaming isn't just for the cis boys anymore.